Pumpkin is a China-based manufacturer that was founded in 2014. They're primarily focused in the European market, but also have a presence in the EU. Their staple products include OEM replacement head units, double and single DIN head units, portable and dual-screen DVD players along with headrest monitors. Most of their products are Android systems, including the one that we installed in our CLK320. Installation notes. We installed this unit into a 2005 CLK320. All in all, the installation went pretty smoothly. The wiring aligned perfectly with access aftermarket wire harness adapter. The one thing to note was that instead of having a 3.5 mm plug for the steering wheel controls, you'll need to wire 2 individual key wires with an adapter. Apart from that, all of the wire colors and functions aligned with what was expected. Pumpkin head unit core features. Let's dig into the core features of Pumpkin's Android 9.0 double DIN head unit. Pumpkin crammed all of the features that you want to have in your car onto a familiar OS. To most of us, that looks and feels like a tablet. This was the first true Android unit we've tested in person, and to be honest, we were quite impressed and enjoyed the familiarity and flexibility of the Android OS. Android OS. We can't say this enough, but this unit truly is an Android tablet in your car. From the home screen and app management to the Google Play Store, even Google Chrome. It looks, feels, and functions like you're looking at a mobile tablet. What's great about the Android OS in a head unit like this is that it's not limited to the normal features and restricted capabilities like many other head units. Vehicle settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and all other Android OS configurations are the same on this head unit, including the file management and APK functionality to install custom applications. So if you have or like the Android OS, this type of head unit is just for you. Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth is a standard in today's vehicles, but we have to cover it. Connecting your phone or other Bluetooth was pretty easy with this head unit. It's like connecting a Bluetooth device to your Android tablet. We had no issues whatsoever connecting our iPhone up to the unit and using the connection to make phone calls or stream music. With your device connected, you can play music from any of your favorite music streaming services. Simply open up the application on your phone and play the song. The head unit will do the rest. You can control simple functions like play, pause, next, and previous song from the head unit, but you will need to use your phone to navigate into specific playlists, artists, and etc. in apps like Spotify. Customization. Customization is a set of features that we like to look at to gauge how well an aftermarket head unit will blend into your car's dash. It's important that it looks the way that you want it to, and that you can personalize it to make it truly yours. Pumpkin's unit checks the boxes with customization features. It's incredibly flexible. You can change the button colors to match your vehicle's OEM interior colors, upload custom wallpapers or GIFs. Additionally, you have all of the standard widget customization and app management that Android OS provides. With the Android OS at its core, this is truly one of the most customizable units we've tested actually. Entertainment. We sort of covered this in the OS portion of this video, but figured it would be helpful to detail a few additional things about how flexible and capable this head unit is for entertainment in your car. First off, it has 2 sets of audio-video RC outputs that can power your headrest monitors, overhead flip-down monitors, really any kind of external video monitor. And if you wanted to hook in an external video input, like an Xbox, it has a video input and AUX RC inputs as well. From an operating system standpoint, the Pumpkin unit is also stacked with features that will help you enjoy your drive. The key thing being access to apps within the Google Play Store, where you can download things like YouTube, Hulu, etc. Once downloaded, you simply open the app of choice and stream your video content on the road. Wi-Fi connectivity. Wi-Fi isn't something you typically see tied directly to a car stereo, but Pumpkin included a Wi-Fi antenna and capability in order to power some of the great features. It's also the crutch of the head unit. Without it, you have a normal head unit with apps that don't work and navigation that doesn't know where you are. But if you're like us and have a hotspot on your phone and an unlimited data plan, this unit is truly fantastic with Wi-Fi. Literally everything that you'd access on your Android tablet becomes available directly on the head unit. Audio quality and features. In terms of audio quality and audio features, Pumpkin's unit performed well. We tested various songs at multiple volumes and weren't disappointed. It features a 10-band EQ that you are able to adjust on the fly with custom settings, or you can select one of the preset options to customize the output to your liking. Balance, fader, loudness, all of the normal features and functionality are included with easy touchscreen sliders. ABI support. We didn't get to test this feature out either, but thought it was really cool that the head unit supports ABI inputs to measure real-time data and error codes from your vehicle's computer. They do have an adapter to enable this functionality as well. Overview. This was the first Android OS-based head unit that we tested, and we were thoroughly impressed. All of the logical things that you truly want in your car are included. Video and music streaming, Bluetooth, Internet with Wi-Fi connectivity, apps and Google App Marketplace, Google Maps, wallpaper, and button customization. The list goes on. The Android OS was incredibly powerful, and we loved it. But for the individuals that might not be as tech-savvy, it may not be the best option. Simple is key sometimes, and all of the functionality that's crammed in this unit might not be easy to use for those who struggle to use Google Maps to find your local gas station. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe this channel and leave your comment in the comment section below. What do you think about this particular model?